Across the world, engineers and manufacturers are developing new technologies that make construction faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. From robotic systems to breakthrough building materials, these innovations are transforming the future of construction. Let's take a closer look at some of the most impressive innovations transforming the industry today. At first glance, these wooden blocks don't look capable of supporting an entire building, but that's exactly what they were designed to do. Known as Trick Brick, this innovative construction system transforms low-grade and reclaimed timber into precision-engineered building components. Instead of relying on concrete, glue, or metal fasteners, the blocks are stacked together and secured using hardwood dowels. As more blocks are added, they form load-bearing walls strong enough to support a complete structure. Perhaps the most surprising feature is what happens at the end of a building's life. Because the components aren't permanently bonded together, the entire wall system can be dismantled and the wooden blocks reused for future projects. What if insulation could be poured like concrete? That's the idea behind Arium, a mineral-based foam developed to fill cavities and hard-to-reach spaces with minimal effort. Applied in liquid form, the material expands throughout the structure before hardening into a long-lasting insulating layer. In addition to its thermal properties, it's resistant to fire, mold, and moisture, while remaining fully recyclable at the end of its service life. Combined with modern construction techniques, such as pre-assembled roof sections lifted into place by hydraulic systems, it represents a different approach to building efficiency. What normally takes hours of scraping can be completed much faster with the right equipment. The Robotic Chameleon combines adjustable speed control with specialized removal attachments designed for renovation work. While the sander tackles surface coatings, a precision scraping system removes wallpaper and thin plaster layers without excessively damaging the material underneath. The result is a cleaner and more efficient preparation process before repairs or refinishing can begin. Erosion can gradually damage riverbanks, canals, and coastal infrastructure. Hydrotex takes a different approach to protecting these vulnerable areas. The system uses fabric mattresses that are positioned over the surface and then filled with concrete on site. Once cured, the concrete forms a durable protective layer that combines the strength of traditional concrete with the flexibility needed to adapt to uneven terrain. This helps create a long-lasting barrier designed to withstand the constant forces of water and erosion. Tying thousands of rebar intersections by hand is one of the most repetitive tasks on a construction site. TieBot was designed to change that. Using computer vision and autonomous navigation, the robot can identify rebar intersections and tie them without requiring pre-programming or site mapping. Once deployed, it moves across the work area on its own, performing more than 1,000 ties per hour while maintaining consistent results. By automating one of the most labor-intensive stages of concrete construction, TieBot allows crews to focus on higher-value tasks while reducing physical strain on workers. At first glance, these plastic modules don't look like a critical part of a building, but once concrete is poured over them, they create a raised foundation with a ventilated space underneath. Known as a levator, the system is made from recycled polypropylene and is designed to help control moisture while improving the long-term durability of the structure. For projects that demand even greater strength, the Elevator Max version can support significantly heavier loads without changing the basic construction concept. Waterproofing failures often begin with small cracks that allow moisture to find its way beneath the surface. Blue Max approaches the problem differently. This liquid rubber coating is applied directly to a variety of materials, including concrete, wood, and metal, creating a seamless protective barrier once cured. What makes it particularly unusual is its flexibility. The coating can stretch significantly without cracking or peeling, allowing it to adapt to movement and temperature changes that would damage many conventional waterproofing systems. In addition to resisting water intrusion, it also offers protection against mold growth and prolonged exposure to sunlight, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Building a concrete wall normally requires multiple stages, including formwork installation, reinforcement placement, concrete pouring, and formwork removal. Dinsel 275 simplifies part of that process. Its polymer panels serve as permanent formwork, remaining in place after the concrete has cured. The approach can reduce construction time while creating a durable wall system that combines structural concrete with a protective outer shell. The result is a construction method designed to improve efficiency while addressing challenges such as corrosion, moisture intrusion, and long-term maintenance. Improving the insulation of an existing roof can often be a complex and time-consuming process. SlimFix RenoPro simplifies the task with a specially engineered 3D insulation panel designed for roof renovations. Its interlocking profile helps create a tighter connection between panels, reducing air leakage and minimizing thermal bridges that can lead to energy loss. Installed directly above the existing roof structure, the system provides an efficient way to upgrade insulation performance while keeping installation straightforward and efficient. Producing large concrete pipes is usually a slow and labor-intensive process. The Apex B-die machine was designed to make it far more efficient. Using an automated production system, it forms concrete pipes with high precision while maintaining consistent quality across each section. Its bidirectional operation allows production to continue with minimal downtime, helping manufacturers increase output without significantly expanding their footprint. The result is a faster and more streamlined approach to producing the concrete pipes used in critical infrastructure projects around the world. What if installing solar panels was as simple as applying a large sticker? That's the concept behind Heliosol. Unlike traditional photovoltaic systems, these lightweight solar modules use organic photovoltaic technology and come with an integrated adhesive layer for simplified installation. The flexible panels can be applied to both roofs and facades, turning previously unused surfaces into sources of renewable energy. What you're looking at is essentially a factory on wheels. The CGM concrete molding machine produces reinforced concrete components directly on the production floor using a vibration-based molding process. By simply changing the mold configuration, manufacturers can create a wide range of concrete products with the same machine. Once a component is formed, the machine moves forward and repeats the process, creating a continuous production cycle designed for large-scale manufacturing. As engineers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, construction is becoming faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Which of these innovations impressed you the most? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.